How to optimize investment planning for $100,000 after turning 70. At age 70 and beyond, managing money requires a shift in focus. It's less about growing wealth and more about protecting it, earning some income, and making sure it lasts. With $100,000 to invest, careful planning is key. The right mix of safety, smart growth, and inflation protection can help you live comfortably and avoid running out of funds. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. Investment planning for $100,000 after turning 70. 1. Know your risk. Risk tolerance changes as we age. While safety is important, avoiding all risk may lead to losing buying power due to inflation. Key risks include market drops. Big losses can hurt retirement funds. Bad timing, poor returns early in retirement can have long effects. Inflation, prices rising over time reduce what your money can buy. Living longer, you may need your money to last 20 to 30 years. 2. Smart asset allocation. A balanced portfolio can offer stability with some room to grow. A sample mix for a 70-plus retiree. 40 to 50% bonds. Use high-quality or inflation-protected bonds. 20 to 30% stocks. Stick to dividend-paying, low-risk companies. 10 to 15% cash, for emergencies or quick access. 10 to 15% alternatives, real estate or gold for added protection. 3. Choose the right focus, preservation versus growth. If you want stability, use CDs, annuities, or bond ladders. If you can take some risk, add some safe stocks to outpace inflation. Health, income needs, and family goals should guide your choice. 4. Hedge against inflation with gold. Precious metals, especially gold, can help protect against rising prices. A 5 to 10% allocation adds balance. Gold, a strong hedge during economic uncertainty. Silver, another option, though more volatile. 5. Consider a gold IRA. A gold IRA lets you hold physical gold in a retirement account. Benefits include inflation protection, diversification, tax advantages, like traditional or Roth IRAs. Make sure to use a trusted custodian and IRS-approved dealer to avoid problems. At age 70 plus, investing $100,000 means protecting what you've built, while allowing it to grow just enough to keep up with life. With smart allocation, low-risk options, and inflation hedges like gold, you can stay confident and secure in your retirement years. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.